Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Medical Biochemistry series. Today we are going to discuss about the MCQs, the most important MCQs which are exam oriented one. So here you must know that the MCQ is one of the important question, first question in the examination for MBBS and dental and other branches also. So this will carry 10 marks, or some universities they give 20 marks. But here in this MCQ you have to see that how to solve the MCQs with the help of brain. So you must know that here the first MCQ is here. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the synthesis of. So here 4 options are given in the MCQ. 4 options will be there. Some options will be of very confusing one. So you have to think over it. If you read the chapter of the cell, you will come to know the answer of this. Therefore, you have to read the chapters thoroughly from the books, from the textbooks, and then only you can be able to solve the MCQs. You will be able to solve the MCQs. So here, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for the synthesis of 4 options are there: carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acid, and lipids. So here you should know that the component of the cell. Before solving MCQ, you must know that this endoplasmic reticulum is nothing but it is a component of the cell. 2 types of endoplasmic reticulum is there in the cell: rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So you have to think of what is the role of this rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this rough endoplasmic reticulum is just associated with the ribosomes. And what is the function of the ribosome in our body? You must know that it is responsible for the synthesis of proteins. So therefore the answer will be protein. Second one of the following alcohol is responsible for the cataract in the diabetic patient. So during the olden days, the cataract will be there in the eyeball or in the retina, and this is developed due to the following alcohol, one of the alcohol. So which alcohol is responsible for the formation of cataract? So you must know that the sorbitol is responsible for the cataract in the. So here you should know that the third one, the sulfur containing amino acids are given below, except means you have to just write the answer which is not sulfur containing amino acids. So here if you read the sulfur containing amino acids from the chapter, so you should know that which is not the sulfur containing amino acids. So here cysteine is sulfur containing amino acid, cysteine is sulfur containing amino acid, methionine is sulfur containing, but isoleucine is the answer because the sulfur containing amino acids are given below, except means it is not sulfur containing. So this isoleucine is the answer which is not sulfur containing. Fourth one, sialic acid are the components of, means that if you read the lipids, so you should know that where this sialic acid is there in the chapter lipid. So sialic acids are the component of, means it contains proglycans and glycans, glycolipids, and all of the above. These are the 4 options are given. So you have to write one of the option which are the sialic acid are the component of. So you have to write one option only. The answer will be all of the above. So this will be the answer. The fifth one is Neenhydrin test is positive with all except. So Neenhydrin test is there in the color reactions of protein. So here you should know that Neenhydrin test is positive with all except one of this option is not related with the Neenhydrin. So what is that one? Amines, peptides, ammonia and aromatic amino acid. So answer will be aromatic amino acids. And this Neenhydrin test gives positive for amines, peptides and ammonia. So this will be the answer. Now we'll see the sixth MCQ. The sixth MCQ here, which of the following carbohydrate is dietary fiber? So here you have to think about it. What is my dietary fiber? In which classification of carbohydrate it comes? So the four options are given: glucose, fructose, cellulose and inulin. So here the answer is cellulose. Cellulose acts as an important fiber in our body, which makes the stool, bulk of the stool will be there due to the addition of this cellulose. So another one, when choline of lecithin, is replaced by ethanol amine, the product is number one, sphingomyelin, cephalin, plasmogens and isolecithin. So here the answer is cephalin. When the choline of lecithin is replaced by ethanol amine is nothing. It is an alcohol. When it is replaced by the choline, so it becomes the cephalin. During the next one, during denaturation of protein, the following bonds are disrupted. During the denaturation process, which bond is disrupted? Four bonds options are given here: peptide bond, hydrophobic bond, hydrogen bond and sulfide bond. So you have to give the answer among these four. So the answer will be peptide bond. They are ruptured during the process of denaturation. You must know that what is the process of denaturation. The folded form becomes unfolded of the protein is said to be the denaturation of protein. Which of the following glycosaminoglycan do not contain sulfate? Which glycosaminoglycan, or we can say that GAG, glycosaminoglycan short form is GAG. So here the glycosaminoglycan which do not contain sulfate, give the name. Four options are there: chondroitin sulfate, heparin sulfate, hyaluronic acid. So here the answer is hyaluronic acid, because it do not contain sulfate in its structure. It contains only glucuronic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine and no sulfate. The another, plasma membrane is made up of polar molecules, first option. Second is polar and non-polar, and third is non-polar molecule, and fourth one is none of the above. So here we should know that plasma membrane of a cell, it contains polar as well as non-polar molecules. So here the next one is, which of the following glycosaminoglycan does not contain uronic acid? So here GAG, which do not contain uronic acid. Here then four options are given: creatine sulfate, hyaluronic acid, heparin sulfate and dermatin sulfate. Here the answer is creatine sulfate. It do not contain the uronic acid in its structure. Next one is, biological activity is determined by primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and fourth option is quaternary. So by which the biological activity of the protein is determined. So it is determined by the primary structure of the protein. Okay, biological activity of the protein is determined by the primary structure and not secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. So you should know. So these are the important. So another MCQ here, 13 number. The polypeptide responsible for uterine contraction. So which polypeptide is responsible for the uterine contraction? 4 options are there: glutathione, vasopressin. First option is glutathione, second is vasopressin, third is angiotensin, and fourth one is oxytocin. So answer is oxytocin. Another one is the pH at which the molecule acts as a Zwitter ion, which acts as a Zwitter ion, is called as 4 options: isoelectric focusing, optimum pH, isoelectric pH, and neural pH. The answer is isoelectric pH, at which the amino acid or the protein will have positive as well as negative charge. Next one, the glutathione found in all mammalian cells except RBC. First option is RBC, second is skeletal muscle, fourth one is neuron, and fifth one is Argentinophin cells. So here the answer is neuron. This is the answer. The glutathione found in all mammalian cells, but it could not found in neuron. So friends, these are the MCQs which are very important from the point of the exam. You have to read the chapters also, but these are very tough MCQs which I have given to you, and very important one from the point of the examination. These are very important MCQs. So I think you like my lecture, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.